Hey guys, Ben with IncomeOptionsTrading here on Monday, February 3rd, first day of trading in February. I had a great day today, up 945, basically max profit for this account, so can't complain at all. If we go to the even S&Ps here quick, we were down around 2.5%, I think, at the low overnight. Ended about a 0.5% down yet, but I mean, it felt like a really bullish day, even though we were down quite a bit. Just after 9:15, Mexico tariffs that were supposed to be in place got delayed a month, so market loved that news. There was a call with Trump and the Prime Minister of Canada. I don't know what the results were of that. I'm guessing nothing major, as the market didn't change much at the end of the day. But overall, was a good day. In the E-mini S&Ps, we were at just over 2 million contracts, which is the most in a long time. So very active overnight. There was over 500,000 contracts overnight. So a lot of volatility. With that, the VIX was up quite a bit. It was up about 20% earlier. Now it's only up 13%. Still a big move, but I put on my normal iron condor here in the morning. For the most part, that wasn't really tested at all. If we go here, the call side was 60.45, and then the put side was way down here at 58.65. So about another 50 points from the low. In the 45, we got about 20 points away, which today was pretty close. But didn't really get tested too bad, so can't complain there. And then in the afternoon, I put on a short put spread at 12:30 and one at 1:30, 59.45 and 59.75. I did have the OptionOmega bot here today, so that one actually opened right before me and it opened at 59.40. If we go into the activity tab here, so it put it on for 95 cents. I put mine on for $1.15. I just want one strike higher. The bot got the closest to 125, or the short call, or the short put, excuse me, at 125. I rounded up one. I think mine was at $1.40 when I filled this. So I just went one strike closer, but pretty close. OptionOmega did the more conservative route here. And then I also had it open up the afternoon one at 2:30, and I got 105 credit. I did the same one a little bit 15 seconds later. I got $1 credit, so 5 cents better on the OO bot on that. I'm going to switch over to the OptionOmega platform so you can see what it looks like. So here's OptionOmega. I have the beta test for OptionOmega, or the bot, I should say. You still have the back testing, but the bot, I'm in beta, so it's not open to the public. You can sign up for a watch list, and they'll slowly roll it out to people. But this is what it looks like. So you can go in here. This is my live trading here. These are the two trades that I put on, and it's separated out by each leg because I set it up so that it closes the short only. And that's just because they don't have the ability to change from a spread or a stop on a spread to a stop on a short only if the long becomes worthless. That's something that TAT does, Trade Automation Toolbox, but it's not yet implemented on OO, but I think it will be eventually. Just it's on the list. So that's what I'm at now. 195 on that. There's also a reporting tab here as well, and this is, so it's 6 trades and it says 3 winners, so 3 are losers, but this is per leg. So even though I open it up as a spread, it counts the long and the short separate, so I lose technically on the long put that expires worthless. But so that's why the win percentage is 50%. It's the same way that their backtester does if you set it up with leg groups. But overall, 3 for 3 so far for Thursday, and today, Friday, I had it on, but the parameters never hit. So that one skipped. I haven't had a stop out on O yet. I'm really curious to see how that goes. I kind of want to have a stop here this week. I'm going out of town here next week, so I won't be around my trading platform, and I was wondering how much I could rely on any bot without really paying attention. I probably won't put anything on just because I like to be aware or be in front of a screen just in case something drastic happens. But so far so good on that. You can open up the strategies here, and you can create tags and make it active or not active. And you can actually copy a backtest and start trading with it. So it's if you use OptionOmega as a backtester, basically if you can backtest it, you can trade with it. Really, right now the one difference, there's a couple different things that are different in here, but the big thing is the entry and exit execution. That's something that changes with the bot versus the backtest, but I'm not going to get too far into that here. I think once it becomes live, I'll do more stuff on here, but since I have beta access, just wanted to show you guys a look behind the curtain a little bit. Probably make this more of a daily thing when I'm doing my recaps, just so you can see and compare OptionOmega versus my real life trading. So yeah, and if you are interested in OptionOmega, I do have a referral link for 50% off for your first year. And that does include the bot. So once the bot comes out, it's 50% off everything or anything. So you can pick your plan and get 50% off for your first year. So there's a description, a link, or description below. A link in the description below if you are interested. Yeah, I think that's about all I wanted to talk about. I'm just going to go back to Tasty here for a second. VIX was up and down. It did close down a little bit from where we opened. I'm assuming tomorrow or overnight we'll have similar volatility. I don't know if we're gonna have that much of a vol crush. It really depends on how the call went with Canada and Trudeau, I think. So that's what I know. Hope you guys had a good weekend and a good trading day, and I will see you guys next week. Thanks for watching. Quick disclaimer that options involve risk, and you shouldn't trade options if you don't know what you're doing, and you should only trade what you are familiar with. Don't follow anyone blindly, including myself. You should put on the trades that you want to trade, and only those.